Nid yn unig defed sy'n cael ei gwobrwyo fan hyn yn y ffair. Mae yna wobr arbennig ar cof am John Gittings sydd yn cael ei roi i rywun sydd wedi gwneud cyfraniad neilltuol i'r diwydiant defed. A'r enillwraig heddiannol iawn eleni yw Helen Davies sy'n gweithio i'r NSA. Congratulations, Helen, and the first woman to win this tremendous award.
I know, that's a bit still sinking in. I really can't believe that I'm the first lady because there's many worthy ladies in the industry, I'm sure, that should have had this, but so to be the first is a real privilege.
And on top of that, you knew John Gittings very well.
I did, yes. I held him in the greatest respect, really. He just lived over the river from my father's home. And obviously, I still know Mary. She's on the NSA committee now and different things. So, yeah, I had the utmost respect for John himself. So that makes it all the more special.
You've worked for the NSA for about 10, 12 years.
Yes, yes.
But you play a pivotal role with the National Sheep Association event that you hold.
Yes, well, I organise the NSA Welsh Sheep event, which is every 2 years, but obviously I now also do the event at Malvern, the big national event, which is in the other year that Welsh Sheep doesn't happen. And I look after all the sponsorship for NSA as well. So yeah, it's quite a substantial role.
And the NSA is very, very important to the industry with the lambs and the sheep industry.
Very. We're the only sort of voice for the sheep industry, the soul of the sheep industry, and I think at the moment with the way Brexit's going to be, we need to make sure sheep industry is priority and to sort of get our voice heard so we get the best sort of deal for us going forward within Europe.
No pressure there then?
Oh, no pressure, no pressure.
A Gwyn Davies, i chi yn gyfarwydd iawn a Helen ac yn gwybod yn iawn y cyfraniad mae wedi gwneud i'r diwydiant.
Odi, mae wedi gwneud, o'n i'n digwydd fod ar y panel pan gath Helen i dewis. So mae'n dangos sawl blwyddyn fi wedi bod yn ynghlwm gyda'r NSA. Odi, mae Helen wedi gwneud gwaith mawr a mae wedi gwneud gwaith, ni'n gwybod ni'n gofyn iddi fel pwyllgor ac yn y blaen i wneud gwaith, ond mae Helen yn mynd y cam ymhellach bob tro i weithio i'r diwydiant sy'n mor agos at ei chalon i. Fi'n gwybod ni'n abod Helen yn dangos y defnydd Suffolk ac yn y blaen, ond y gwaith mae wedi gwneud ac chybod, o'n i wedi bod yn anffodus bod fi'n un o'r bobl oedd ar y panel pan gath i dewis ac oedd hi'n arbennig o dda. Oedd hi'n gwybod hanes y diwydiant hefyd ac ni'n falch iawn bod hi wedi ennill. Oedd hi'n ddornod hanesyddol fel o'ch chi'n sôn Helen y ferch cynta. Wrth gwrs yr archesgob cynta hefyd yr un diwrnod yn cael ei dewis. So oedd hi'n ddornod pwysig iawn i'r merched y dwrnod ni.
Wel, chwarae teg i chi, Gwyn. Diolch o galon i chi am y sgwrs. And many congratulations to you. Enjoy the year now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Diolch.